Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Still a bit too cold out there, so for now we're just going to stay inside. We'll see how Mother Nature treats us over the next week or two. But I got some really exciting news. So guys, if you remember last year, I had this LinQ dual accessory board added on from the guys at B&S Design, and it was an absolute game changer. I loved it. There was a video from last year. I'll link it above. So you can see what this whole setup was. Well, the guys reached out to me over the winter and they said they had a new prototype that they wanted me to check out. So I just got it in the mail. It's going to allow for possibly 3 LinQ systems on the back of your ski. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to try it out, put it on there, see what it looks like, fiddle around with it a bit, and obviously we can't really test it until we get it on the water, but we'll see what it looks like on the skis. So today we're installing a new prototype design by the guys at B&S Design to allow for 3 LinQ accessories to be attached to your Sea-Doo while you're out there. So we'll see where we get to. So let's dive into, this isn't attached. I just wanted to show it to you as the original one. So I got the new one. Let's get it going and see where we end up with. All right guys, so we've got the 2 new pieces. So this should be like the original one that we had. It will probably go right here. I think this is the extension. So let's open it up, see what we get into. It's like Sea-Doo Christmas. Actually, you know what? This is going to take a bit of time. So let's kick you over to some time lapse. Enjoy. And I made a mistake because I need to put the screws to the top of this. So lesson learned, don't put this one on right away. Like if you were just gonna go in by yourself and only use the 2 plates, congratulations, you're done. Well, I mean, I gotta put the nuts on, but more or less you're done. If you wanna go out with extra, just put that on, drill, 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 drill. So let's do this now. So I'm going to take these 2 out, try again, and put this in, and then it's installed, and we can see what we can do with it. So, all right. Well, guys, there we go. Look at that now. It's on there nice. You can still have access to here. Gives you actually a little bit of a grip if you're trying to come up the ramp. Even give you something to hold on to. So, and then like I said, you have your space here. So theoretically there's a LinQ here, a LinQ here, and a LinQ here. All right guys, so I've got the first set on up here at the front, and my master plan is I'm going to skip this set for now. One, because I only have one more set of parts. So I'm going to put them down at the bottom here. Alright guys, so we've got the top plate on, we've got the bottom plate on, and we've got the bottom links on. Again, I don't have the middle ones yet. I gotta pick them up from my dealer. So guys, as you can see, with the this plate on, you can now get 3 LinQ accessories done up on your Sea-Doo. So not bad. So you go your gas can, small cooler, travel bag. I'd probably put the cooler right there. Yeah. But like I said, now you have options into it, right? Or maybe even put the gas can, because it's the heaviest, right in the middle. Then your cooler stays there, dry bag. Or you know what you could do? The options, I'm thinking about them out loud now. There's like gas can up at the front, cooler here, you can put this on top of your gas can and put another cooler, or do gas can cooler, and then you have two cases like that. I mean, guys, options are endless. So looks good. I mean, it's kind of does fill it up nicely, so I mean, not a bad look at all. So guys, that's installing this third extra link system onto it. So all right guys, well that's about it. So let me know in the comments what you think about this system. I mean, now that I see it kind of laid out in front of me, it's actually not that bad. So yeah, definitely let me know what you think about it. If you're looking for more information on this, reach out to the guys at B&S Design on Facebook. I'll provide a link in the description to it. And if you want to get a hold of them, just message them, and they're really good at getting back to you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope gives you some inspiration for the season and while we're getting out there. So just want to say thank you again to all the subscribers that have joined the channel. It's been amazing. We are so close to hitting 1,000. So thank you so much for that. Like I said, if we hit 1,000, I think I'm going to try and see if I can put together a little giveaway and hook some of you guys up with some stuff. I mean, it's not much, but I just want to say thank you to all you guys. So until the next one, guys, which may be a bit of time just because weather hasn't quite been as good as I've hoped for, and it's still early April, and now we're into another lockdown for a couple weeks. So we'll see. I can't wait to get out there, and I know you guys can't wait to get out there either. So till the next video or whatever we're up to, be safe out there. All the best. Thanks again for everything. Please hit the subscribe button, hit like, share with all your friends, and like I said, comment on this setup we have going on right now. Until the next one, which I've probably already said, but it's worth saying again. Peace. Fortunately, it's still a bit cool out there to get out on the water, but I'm thinking probably really soon, hopefully maybe even the next video. But I don't... I got the cat in here with me. Sorry. Hopefully in the next video we might be able to get out on the water. So that's my plan, but we'll see how Mother Nature plays with us. No, we'll see how link to allow for three link. Oh my gosh, to allow